Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today we are continuing our journey in a must-try AI tools in Canva. Here in a part 28, I will show you an application called Adapt Text. With this application, we can create another lots of funny text effects. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. And as usual, first we are checking the details of the app. Depth and style redefined for text. That's pretty straightforward, created by Codabits, developed by Henry, and he also made a pretty amazing job with this application. So this application is also highly recommended. So how does it work? I just open a new page, scrolling down to the apps, just typing depth. Already have this depth text. This is the application. I just open it, and here, as you can see, already have a 10 predefined text. I will choose this one, and here we have two functions, the style and the layout, and here in the layout we can change between the different styles as needed, and also we can change the different settings like a radius, spacing factor. We can drag to rotate, we can turn off or turn on, we can set the rotation, the position, and the scale also. But now I keep it like this and go into the style. Here I just start to typing. Tutorial, canvateacher tutorial. I just copy and paste and paste and paste. And if we are scrolling down, of course we can change the font style, font type, like this Poppins. We can change the font color as usual, even with the color picker. This is just a standard color settings of the Canva. We can add an outline. We can add some nice color for the outline. We can weight it. We can change the weight of the outline, and we also can add some projection. And I would let use a pink to see the projection and increasing the depth of the projection. As you can see, the projection is behind the original text. It's pretty amazing. So just adding to the design, and just have to increase the size. As you can see, it's already uploaded to my Canva library, and here is the text what I created now. It's pretty easy to use and pretty amazing how we can play with this different kind of text. Again, I pretty love this application, so highly recommend you to try it. As you can see, it's absolutely free. So thanks for the developer again, and I recommend you to try and use this application. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit that small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section if you miss anything from my tutorial, or if you're struggling anything in a Canva. Please visit my Facebook page also. You can find the link in the description, where you can find lots of other Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another Canva experts. Plus you can find a bunch of text to image generation prompts for different kind of AI applications. So if you are also interested in this area, please feel free to check my Facebook page. As I mentioned already, you can find the link in the description. But now this tutorial is really going to end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.